Well, we're gonna see what's down here, okay? Whiskey and gin.
Huh?
This looks like a cool store right here.
Where, Dada? Oh, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Did I want to have one? Guys, can you put on a song?
What would you like?
Huh?
Hang on to something.
Hang on to what? Where do we get stopped? Stop. I think we're gonna go.
Schauen wir da jetzt mal ruhig. Das haben wir
What do you think? Stay close, friend.
voorbij.
Ai, ai.
Hey guys, look, there's a ice. Yeah. Well, that one.
Gonna go climb on that?
After you.
Is that the dragon thing that it was talking about?
What dragon thing?
At the other place, remember?
Like thing right there. Maybe that might be a stone dragon.
Das ist Garmisch.
I want to go down. I want to go back down.
Nee, aber die ist noch hier irgendwo. Ja, das nehme ich an. Ich hätte jetzt
Hey, what do you think of the mountain, friend?
I want to go down.
Wo, Anna? Das darf nicht wahr sein, dass ich dich immer suchen.
Das ist übrigens die richtige Zugspitze da. Oh mein Gott, da darf er aber noch nicht sein. Was die Beine ist, dann fällt das zusammen.
Маленькое горы, такое седло такое, в этом седле.
Apfelschorle. These cute little things. A gift shop.
Снег-то лежит. Вот они катаются на лыжах, катаются. На лыжах катаются.
Whoa, look at all that snow.
Ah, von hier auch.
No, that's right there. Now look at that snow. Yeah, let's go check out that snow. I'm gonna slice it with my sword. I'm gonna slice it with my sword.
Me crystal.
Dad, I'm gonna slice you with my sword. I just cutted it with my sword. Yeah. I was like this. I was like this, Dada. I was like this. I was like this, Dada. Like a knife. Goat one?
Yeah, what is it? Can you tell me what it is?
Goat.
A goat?
Yeah.
Oh, this way, man.
Goat. Mama. I'm cutting it.
You are?
Yeah. Going back down.
Hier, da bist du ja gleich da.
Wir haben ja den Luxus, wir haben 2 Tage gebucht. Ich übernachte vorbeigesagt habe.
Ja, mei, ist der Parkplatz. Das ist
Oh ja.
Und da sind wir gestern.
Why?
Cool little building up there.
Make sure that I don't. The black stuff.
It's just dirt.
I'm not cutting that.
You're gonna cut that snow? Hmm?
I'm not cutting. No.
We were up there. Push it all the way down.
Out any water.
It's not?
Like I don't think it's putting out any water.
Yeah.
Oh, how did you do that? Let me try.
You just gotta keep pushing it. Alright, that's good.
Right here. Sit right here. Oh yeah, I think they're getting off. Yeah, I think we got off. Yeah, they're coming. See? Well, how fast does it go when it's out of the train station? It's going fast. It's going quickly. Papa, stop it.
Dieser Zug fährt Richtung Eibsee, Greinau und Garmisch-Partenkirchen mit Halt am Riffelriss und in Hammersbach, Kreuzeck-Albspitzbahn und Hausberg.
This train goes to Eibsee, Greinau and Garmisch-Partenkirchen with stops in Riffelriss, Hammersbach, Kreuzeck-Albspitzbahn and Hausberg.
Sehr geehrte Fahrgäste,
Ladies and gentlemen,